So I'm a software engineer at Microsoft, and I want to transition to product management. That's why I'm here to get my fundamentals up, and that's why I'm here at the workshop. It was really good overall. I really liked that it was so activity based. So I think that really helped, to constantly put on your PM hat and constantly keep going deeper into the problem and solving it. So that was something which was really good. I think that was amazing. I mean, the interaction with Talvinder. Talvinder is an amazing mentor, is what I could figure out, and even Deepthi and Suman. I think the panel session we had yesterday was very good. I think not just me, a lot of people actually said that they found it very useful. Like they could ask a lot of questions and they got answers for it. I think that panel discussion was really good, because most of the times what happens is we go to the panel discussions, we don't really gain a lot of things out of it. So I think some of the frameworks that I really liked was how do you evaluate that the idea is good enough? How do you look at the different criteria and you evaluate which one to pick? So that was something which was really good. How do you think from product, service, marketplace, all those different angles to think of ideas? Those frameworks I really liked. It was a really good experience overall.